So today I have here two very common samples for the US market, which are the t-shirt bag, the LDPE version and the HDPE version. The LDPE one or the reusable bag, let's see here, the sealing very strong. Both of them are very common used for supermarket, grocery store, convenience store, and we are selling a lot of them to the US. Now this is the HDPE version. You see that the sealing very strong, very sturdy. It can store a lot of items when you go shopping. The sealing, bottom sealing, also very strong. Yeah, so if you want to buy t-shirt bag for the US market, please contact us.